Good news for Samsung fans, as the tech giant has just unleashed a big wave of shiny new gadgets, AI tricks, and upgrades designed to make your current phone feel ancient. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Of course, the star of the show was Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks to foldables, the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra won't be Samsung's most expensive phone, but it's still the flashiest slab in town. It's designed with softer corners, a raised camera island, and it comes in 6 colors, including the fan-favorite Cobalt Violet. Inside, it's packing a new processor boasting a 19% CPU boost, improved cooling, and blazing fast charging that takes your phone from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. The 200-megapixel main camera returns with wider apertures for better low-light shots, and it's the first Galaxy phone to support Samsung's new advanced professional video codec. Oh, and there's a built-in privacy display too that blocks side-eye snoops without a screen protector. All that just for the price of $1,300. Then there are Samsung Galaxy S26 and Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, who are getting slightly bigger screens, upgraded Snapdragon 8 Elite chips, and more AI features. Even the base model has a storage of 256 GB, but the price is also raised to $900, whereas the S26 Plus lands at $1,100. Apart from phones, there were gadgets too. The redesigned Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 and the Buds 4 Pro now come with slick, clear top cases. The Pro version even lets you answer calls by nodding your head. And on the AI side, from magically fixing ruined cake photos to screening sketchy callers and nudging you to send trip pictures, Samsung's Galaxy AI was the real star. With all this, Samsung really unpacked some serious good stuff this time. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.